3D matrix light installation and online tutorial. When installing an indicator and a module board, note the gap between the two ends. Align it and insert it tightly. Connect the hook at the end of the lamp to the lock buckle through the base. Connect the module to the output cable of the box. The output line needs to be placed in the groove when closed. Fasten the rear latch. Blue is the power input, white is the power output, and below is the input and output of the signal. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to switch to the built-in effect. After the indicator blinks, it turns to a steady red light. Click the button to toggle the built-in effects. In the built-in effects mode, long press the key for 3 seconds to switch to ArtNet mode. Set the computer IP to 2.0.0.2. Open MadShow. Open the device manager to search and pair. Open the RDM tool and type CLEN. You can modify the box information. In the case of cascading, the container space must be modified. Click on the test light will flash, easy to find the box. Drag in effect to light the box. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.